Howdy gang, my name is Adam. Welcome to the channel. Glad you found it. Gonna tell you about a first project we've got going on that I'm gonna let you see and hopefully get done sometime this century. Anyway, we've had this car in my family for a while, since about the mid-90s when we went and picked it up for my mom as a Christmas present. I kind of took over on it, drove it through part of high school, through college, did what you usually do in high school and college to cars, which is probably not good. Back around 2001, 2002, I decided to give the car a tune-up. It needed some work at that point, 271,000 miles. The tune-up has lasted a bit longer than I have anticipated. Anticipated. So the tune-up became an engine rebuild, that became some body work, that became some suspension work, and almost 2 decades later, we're here now. I really need to get this thing going before the wife just makes me sell it. So let's go out and take a look at what we're working with. What the f—
2,000 years later.
All right, that's a little better. That's actually quite embarrassing. Anyway, in case you don't know, this is a 1983 Datsun 280ZX. Member of the family here. It's got the original L28 2.8 liter inline 6, fuel injected, 5-speed, T-tops. Not a bad looking car. So what's my plan here? Well, we need to take baby steps. Looking at this car as a whole unit, there's way too much to do for the time I have with the house, the 2 kids, the job. So we need to take it in baby steps, little bites that we can take, 30 minutes, an hour here and there. So the first step is just get the engine running. We need to get the standalone ECU installed, the wiring, fuel pump, fuel lines. A lot of that's already done, so it's pretty much just clean up. I'm kind of hoping that putting this on YouTube and having maybe 1 or 2 people watch it and hold me accountable with continuing might help me out, kind of keep me focused on finishing this, because I would really like to see the whole car finished, but let's just get the engine running for now, see if we can't get this thing to turn over. So that's the car, that's the project, here's what we're doing. Hopefully I can stick with it, and maybe we'll all learn something along the way. Thanks a lot, guys.